Salut mes chers tréboleros, mes chers amis, c'est Louis ici, de la ville de Guatemala. Ça va? Moi j'espère que ça va bien. Aujourd'hui, on va travailler avec which one, which thing. So, hi everyone, listen up. Today we're gonna be working with which one, which thing, which in French, by the way, it has lots of nuances. So I'm gonna be explaining everything, and I'm gonna be working through all the nuances or variations. You can call nuances variations as well. Does not make a difference. Okay, video 179. Remember that you could follow me at Chapin Trevolero in Spanish. Just go to YouTube and follow me there. Or Aprender Inglés en Minutos for English. Alright, so let's begin with Lequel in all its nuances or variations, right? Okay, let's see. As you can see on the second line, it says which one and then which thing. And then below you see prepositions, French prepositions. Avec, pour, dans, sur, parmi, dans, selon, etc. So, and you can see that numéro un, lequel, laquelle, lesquels, masculine, lesquels feminine, all right, because that's basically the way it works. Don't you worry, because I'm going to be showing you all the examples, okay? Let's move to the examples. So you start looking at it. Okay, let's see. Let me bring up the first one and... Okay, numéro A. Numéro A. Voici le stylo avec. So that's your preposition there. Okay, so here's the pen. Voici le stylo avec lequel j'écris. Here's the pen with which I write. So that's good that it kind of fits in English with the same structure with avec and with, right? Voici le stylo avec lequel j'écris. All right, so basically what it means and what you're looking at right here is, for example, lequel, laquelle, lequel, laquelle, lesquels, lesquelles, masculine, feminine, means the literally the translation would be which one, which thing, and also you use it after a preposition. So just keep that in mind, which one and then which thing, because you are using it after a preposition. Okay, so voici le stylo avec lequel j'écris. Voici le stylo avec lequel j'écris. Okay, here's the pen with which I write. Numéro 2, okay, let's see if I can show you numéro 2 ici. Okay, here we go. Numéro 2, okay. C'est l'ami, it's he's the friend, or it's the friend, c'est l'ami pour lequel j'ai organisé la fête. It's the friend for which one I organize the party. Okay, c'est l'ami pour lequel j'ai organisé la fête. Okay, c'est l'ami pour lequel j'ai organisé la fête. Okay, here's the friend for whom I organized the party. Now, for people, you could also use aquí, j'ai organisé la fête. You will have to change the structure a little bit, but in this case, lequel right here, it's perfectly fine. C'est l'ami pour lequel j'ai organisé la fête. Okay, for which one because we're referring to this friend as one of many friends. So it makes sense to say lequel. C'est l'ami pour lequel j'ai organisé la fête. Okay, c'est l'ami pour lequel j'ai organisé la fête. So keep in mind that pour is a preposition, pour lequel, pour lequel. Okay, let's do the next ones. Don't worry, because I'm going to explain you something else about this structure. Has a lot of variations, but we're going to work them all. Okay. Numéro 3. Le dossier dans lequel tu as noté les chiffres est manquant. So, le dossier, the file, dans lequel, in which one, in which you, okay? So in which one, right? Because there are so many. But in English, we can just write in which. You wrote the figures is missing. Okay, le dossier dans lequel tu as noté les chiffres est manquant. Now keep in mind that you also have the phonetics there, just in case. Le dossier dans lequel tu as noté les chiffres est manquant. Okay. Le dossier dans lequel tu as noté les chiffres est manquant. So the file in which you wrote the figures is missing. Okay, let's do the next one. Numéro 4. Okay, numéro 4, la question sur laquelle. Okay, so right here we're using laquelle, the feminine, because, it could be masculine, feminine, plural masculine, and plural feminine, right? La question sur is a preposition. La question sur laquelle il a insisté était importante. The question on which, sur laquelle, la question sur laquelle, the question on which, la question sur laquelle il a insisté était importante. The question on which he insisted was important. La question sur laquelle il a insisté était importante. The question on which he insisted was important. Okay. All right. Let's move to numéro 5. Okay. Les villes, the cities, les villes parmi lesquelles j'ai voyagé sont magnifiques. Les villes parmi lesquelles j'ai voyagé sont magnifiques. Les villes parmi lesquelles j'ai voyagé sont magnifiques. The cities among which I travel are beautiful. Parmi is a preposition. Among, among. Okay, among which I travel, parmi lesquels j'ai voyagé, parmi lesquels j'ai voyagé, among which I travel, parmi lesquels j'ai voyagé. Les villes parmi lesquelles j'ai voyagé sont magnifiques. The cities among which I travel are beautiful. All right, I want to do that too, go through. Beautiful cities, no chaos or whatsoever. Okay, let's do number 6. Numéro 6. C'est un outil sans lequel je ne pourrais pas travailler, malheureusement. Okay, so it's a tool without, so without is the preposition, and in French, sans laquelle, without which, sans laquelle, without which, sans laquelle, without which, I couldn't work. Je pourrais pas travailler. Je pourrais pas travailler. I wanted to work, but je pourrais pas. C'est tout avec moi à ce moment précis pour finir mon travail. Okay. All right. So number 6, c'est un outil. It's a tool. It's a tool sans laquelle, without which, I couldn't work. Je ne pourrais pas travailler. I wanted to work, but I couldn't because, that tool was missing. Okay? C'est un outil sans lequel je ne pourrais pas travailler. All right, let's see. Let's do numéro 7. Numéro 7. Ok, numéro 7, voici la règle selon. According to, selon means, according to, it's a preposition. Selon laquelle, according to which, because it's always according to in English, right? Voici la règle selon laquelle nous procédons. Okay, here's the rule according to which we proceed. Voici la règle selon laquelle nous procédons. Voici la règle selon laquelle nous procédons. Here's the rule according to which we proceed. Okay, selon laquelle, according to which. Voici la règle. Here's the rule. So this is the rule. This is what it's written. This is what is implied, specified, notated. Okay. So la règle, right? Voici la règle. Voici la règle selon laquelle nous procédons. Okay, here's the rule according to which we proceed. Let's do numéro 8. Okay, wait. Le chapitre dans lequel, okay, the chapter in which, so that means inside something. So the chapter in which, le chapitre dans lequel se trouve l'exemple et le troisième, in which the example appears, is the third. Le chapitre dans lequel se trouve l'exemple et le troisième. Le chapitre dans lequel se trouve l'exemple et le troisième. Le chapitre dans lequel, in which, se trouve l'exemple, the example appears, c'est le troisième, it's the third. Le chapitre dans lequel se trouve l'exemple est le troisième. Le chapitre dans lequel se trouve l'exemple est le troisième. Okay. All right. Mes amis. Okay, listen everyone. This video 179, we're going to be working with 180. And in 180, we're going to be a variation, okay, a variant, right, of lequel, avec, with specific prepositions. Like, for example, if the preposition would be a, instead of saying lequel, laquelle, we're going to say auquel. And then if the preposition is de, we're going to be saying desquels. So follow me on the next one, video 180, and that way you can grasp the whole variation when it comes to lequel and prepositions. All right, good luck, bonne chance, on se voit à la prochaine, les amis.